So let's go ahead and check to make sure that you have put your mallet and mallet handle together correctly. So we're going to start off on Onshape. We're going to click on Create, Document, and we're going to call this Mallet Assembly. And we'll spell it correctly. First thing we're going to do after the workspace loads is we're going to go to the bottom and click on Assembly. And then we're going to have to insert two parts. The first part we're going to insert is going to be the mallet handle. So I'm going to go to Other Documents, go into my Onshape, click on My Folder, and choose my mallet handle. You will probably have to click on, Create New Part and choose version 1. I have already done that, so let's insert that part 1. There it is. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it. So I do not want it to move at all. So I'm going to right click or control click, and I'm going to choose Fix. Now that mallet handle is in place. Now we're going to go back and we're going to get the mallet head. And again, you'll probably have to click Create a Version in Mallet Head. I'm not going to do that because I've already done it. And I'm going to click my mallet head and I'm going to plop it in there and check it off. So now you only need one mate to make this happen. It's one we haven't used before, but it's a relatively simple one. It is called the Fasten Mate, and it looks like this. So it's actually the first mate in the series of tools up at the top. So I'm going to click on Fasten Mate. We're going to hover over the top of our mallet handle, and as long as the blue line is pointing up, we're going to click. And then we're going to go inside the hole. We want to get that hole to kind of light up like that. We don't want to choose this first one. Don't want to choose the second one. We actually want to choose a third one that is as deep into that hole as we can go. And once we click, it will plop up there. Let's get it down so we can see the entire thing. And it may end up upside down like mine did. So all you have to do is click on Flip Primary Axis and then hit your check mark and you are done. Just to make sure, we're going to make sure that the mallet handle, or I'm sorry, the mallet head will not turn around and around and around. If it doesn't, you're good. That is the mallet assembly.